Hello friends. First of all, make a rectangle equal to the size of artboard and lock it by pressing Ctrl+2, then right. Whatever text you want, I am reading my channel name and group it. Now make 2 copies of it. Two copies of it, and rename them Blend 1 and Blend 2. Now make one more copy, and name it Shadow, and more copy, and name it Shadow, and color it with some darker tone of blue. Now copy it, and paste it down, and made the copied text color same as background. Now copied text color same as background. Now go to Edit Blend, and make with 400 steps. Now unhide both text layers and color them. Steps. Now unhide both text layers and color them as you want. In this example, I am using orange and red color. Now make blend, and then after it done, remember to put the first layer on top and color it any color according to your visualization. In this example, I am using yellow color, and voila! Here is the final result.